Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Candy Crush level 114. This level can be a real challenge, but with the right approach, you'll clear it in no time. We'll go over the specific goals, the unique mechanics you'll encounter, and the best strategies to ensure your success. Get ready to crush some candy and move forward in your game. On level 114, your main mission is to clear all the jelly squares. You'll notice the board has a distinct layout, often with some jelly trapped in hard-to-reach areas. Watch out for obstacles like licorice swirls and chocolate, which can quickly multiply and block your path. Understanding these elements is crucial for planning your moves effectively and efficiently. To master level 114, focus on creating special candies. Striped candies are excellent for clearing rows or columns, while wrapped candies explode in a 3x3 area. Combining these, like a striped and wrapped candy, creates a massive explosion that can clear large sections of jelly and obstacles. Always prioritize clearing chocolate and licorice to prevent them from taking over the board. For advanced play on level 114, try to create color bombs. Combining a color bomb with a striped candy is incredibly powerful, clearing all candies of that color and then a full row or column. Remember to be patient and think a few moves ahead. Sometimes, waiting for the perfect match is better than making a quick, less effective one. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.